What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, family. Only a few more hours until we get back into money. So if you guys are ready for this week, let me know. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to join the Discord. Link down below, first thing in the description. Get ready for Monday, guys. So today, I got 10 stocks for you guys to watch that are about to skyrocket. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, family, so the first stock that we're going to be taking a look at, we gotta be looking at SPY. All right, the overnight market is not a clear indication of whether a stock is going to remain at that price, but we can use it to gauge the sentiment. So right now we're sitting at 595 and let it hold. Don't let this fake you out, family. Okay, so one thing that I do want to talk about is the bear trap and the bull trap. So if we take a look at this, guys. SPY has been on a downtrend from last week until Thursday. Okay, Friday is where they made a reversal and you saw buyers coming into close. All right, so right now we're having a bit of recovery on the overnight market. Yeah, that's not going to indicate what's going to happen in the main day. So I just want you guys to watch out for this. But if we do reclaim this 599 level, that would be nice. Okay, so make sure you guys throughout this week are securing profits fast. When you get into a trade, right, especially a short-term trade, when you see profit, make sure to take profit. Don't let anyone know, okay, I made money, just go ahead and take it. Okay, that's the one thing I want you guys to listen up on and let you know. All right, take the profits as they come. You're always going to get another opportunity. All right, so next up, guys, we got ticker symbol MSTR. Now, why am I bringing MicroStrategy up into the channel? Well, you guys know that Trump has made some strategic moves on the reserves of crypto. Okay, so that's why you got Bitcoin going up, you got Ethereum going up, XRP, Cardano, Solana. Okay, you got a ton of cryptos going up with the announcement of the strategic crypto reserve. So with that, a lot of the crypto miners as well as the crypto holders such as MicroStrategy, right, and also Coinbase are up overnight. So you guys are gonna watch these be very volatile throughout this week. Okay, depending on how crypto performs, they also make money with that, which is reflected in their price. All right, so MicroStrategy is sitting right now at 290. We're having a bit of a sell-off because people are taking profit, okay, after that little uprise. But for those who are in long term, okay, you're gonna see MicroStrategy being bouncing everywhere, with Michael Saylor purchasing Bitcoin at such as high prices as 100,000. Okay, that man is purchasing Bitcoin every single week at high prices, right? Dollar cost averages. That's the name of the game for him. Another stock that I'm going to be looking at is ticker symbol COIN. Coinbase is sitting at $235 overnight. So definitely room to run on Coinbase when crypto Bitcoin hits 100,000. A lot of people are going to chase back at Coinbase and MicroStrategy. Okay, so keep your eyes on those. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol GOOGL. I love Google. It's an attractive buy, being near the 200-day moving average. Okay, when a ton of stocks dip down to the 200-day moving average, that's a sign of solid support as long as it holds it. Okay, so Google, this name has been beat down the past week, the past month, down 15%. We're gonna see if this one can reverse. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Up 0.72% overnight market, but yet again, that's not a clear indicator of it going to be popping on the day. But I want you guys to keep your eyes on Google because it's been a oversold name. Okay, they've been taking this one down, as well as Tesla and many other stocks. All right, so you see them sell this one down on Friday, they got it back up the last 30 minutes. So that's going to be huge, guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol PLTR. Now, a very favorite name for many individual investors. We got that earnings gap up, but we returned back to the gap down on Friday. Okay, we hit lows such as $79, but we rose up to that $85 level. So I keep telling you guys, this $85 level is important. That reclaim of that $85 level is going to be huge for that stock. So watch this one near the 85s. Okay, this one's going to be monitoring around the 80s, that area. If we can reclaim 90, look back at it going to 100. Okay, so that's for Palantir Technologies. Next up, we got ticker symbol WMT. Guys, don't sleep on Walmart, especially near the open. Okay, Walmart has been a stock I've been noticing has been on a uptrend after its earnings going back down. Okay, so take a look at this. Walmart had earnings sitting at $103, gap down to 97, and we went down to 92. But ever since then, okay, it's been a solid uptrend, right? 3% the past week on open. Okay, I want to specify on open, you're gonna see Walmart be a runner. Okay, it's happened frequently during the past week, so huge watch for Walmart. Volume is pretty high, right? This retailer has not gone anywhere except reversing from the downtrend. Okay, that's what I look for when I see strong names. Okay, just take that in mind. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol HOOD, Hood. This is one of my favorite stocks to buy low. Okay, Hood markets, as crypto goes up, you're gonna see Robinhood go up as well, because the major amount of money Hood makes is on crypto transactions. Okay, that actually surprised a ton of people, and with the app changing, right, they're gonna include more stuff into the pipeline. So Hood, definitely love this one near the $45 level. So anytime it goes to 45, love to load up on Hood. Okay, so that's a huge watch coming into this week. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol MRVL, Marvel Technologies. They report earnings on Wednesday. Once again, earnings is a very volatile move. This is determined by how well the company performs, how much revenue they make. Analysts are expecting way more coming 2025, and every single year the bar gets set higher. So for this one, I'm going to be watching this one. If it sells off to $89, it has a solid support at $87. So if this comes down to $88, I'm going to be looking into grabbing calls for earnings. Okay, the $95 calls 1 to 2 weeks out. All right, so huge watch for me. Marvel Technologies, certainly going to be eyes on this one. All right, so next up, guys, we got ticker symbol TEM. So you guys know Palantir. Okay, Palantir, TM, a ton of plays that Pelosi was on, all right, have been selling off from its highs. Okay, they made new highs and they've sold off with the market. So guys, take a look at TEM. They also recently had earnings, but you could see down 1% in the past month, and it has highs of nearly $90 a share. After this, take a look at this. All right, we're gonna take a look at this. It retraced back down 40%. So I'm gonna be looking at Tempest AI to make a little bit of a recovery down from the lows of $50. So if it goes down to $50, I'm gonna be looking to scoop some up of 10. All right, so definitely not out of the equation. Up 1.42% overnight. Once again, overnight is not an indicator of it going into the market. Okay, it's simply just some volume coming from overnight trading. Okay, next up, we got ticker symbol PYPL, PayPal. Guys, you know the app. You make transactions, you send money throughout to people internationally. All right, so this is a huge name that has been selling off due to the earnings. Okay, I'm looking for a potential bounce here at the major support level of $71. So if you guys haven't already, look into ticker symbol PYPL, PayPal. All right, guys, a ton of people are going to be making a ton of money selling options on all these stocks. So if you guys want a video on selling options or the wheel, let me know down below in the comments, because selling options, you guys love to buy options, right? But there's also the possibility you could sell options. So why not learn both ways of the equation, right? You could sell options and you can buy options. Learn to use those both strategically, because I've been talking about selling puts on Teladoc, selling puts on Rocket Lab, getting put credit spreads where I want the price to shift up without having to spend money on calls while the implied volatility is up on Rocket Lab. So if you guys want a video on the selling part of the options, right? We covered the buying. I may have to do another video on the buying, but if you want a video on the selling aspect of options, let me know down below in the comments, and let me know if you guys are ready to make this money this week. We got some hot stocks. If you guys want more of these stocks that I'm watching, click the first link in the description to check out the Discord. Okay, tap into Discord, guys. It's gonna be a fire month. March is great for returns in the stock market. Okay, the season is ready. We're going to be starting up a $1,000 account in the Discord. So if you want to be a part of that, first link description. Okay, guys, I actually want to touch base on 2 more stocks. So let's get into it. We got ticker symbol ACHR, Archer Aviation's up 12% on the day on Friday. So you guys know that they had earnings on Thursday and they've dropped 30% on the initial dip. Okay, take a look at this. On the 1 month chart, Archer Aviation's down to 0.91% in the past month. However, you could see that there was a huge rundown on Archer Aviation. Take a look at this. We got the lows being down 15% in the pre-market, and I believe they dipped lower like 25% in the after hours on Thursday, right? Yet again, they have been trying to push this one down forever. Okay, that's just part of the stock market. Sometimes the stock will go up massively, yet a ton of people are willing to write reports on a certain stock to drive the price lower. And what do? Okay, sometimes they cover, sometimes they buy into their positions low because they want people to give up their shares low. And that's what happened with ticker symbol ACHR, guys, from 683 up to 889. Take a look at this. Look at the amount of percentage return right there. That's a whole 30% move in just a few hours. Okay, you can say this right there. This is a clear light of day situation. Everyone, take a look at this. Okay, light and day, where they try to bring down Archer Aviation's revenue, saying, oh, maybe they're not making money, right? But guys, the CEO is so confident in the stock, up 878, and you guys are asking me, okay, do we take profit? I'm gonna bring that up in a comment, so be tuned for that. Okay, Archer Aviation, as long as it holds this 850 level, be on the lookout for it to head back into the nines. Okay, I know we had this little downfall due to earnings, but guys, once again, earnings is very volatile. Next up, we got ticker symbol RKLB. Now this one, another clear example. Okay, 1637. They really brought this one down to 1637. Take a look at this, guys. Okay, gonna capture lows all the way to highs. Another about 30% move on Rocket Lab. This one has been going crazy. I believe they actually improved their earnings, right? They improved their revenue, yet they dropped because of all these shorts, guys. So just be on the lookout for that. If this ever goes to $16, right, I'm gonna grab the dip on that. This is too good. Okay, like when you have these implied volatilities going 200% for these options, right, you can grab shares at lows, you could sell puts, and then do the wheel, recycle. Okay, spin the wheel around for time and time again, guys, on these options that you could sell. Okay, so Rocket Lab, definitely interested if it goes back down to 16, right? But you guys are going to see the stock market have these crazy moves, but when it's red, that's the best time to buy. So take into account of that. Okay, everyone, I just want to answer this question from one of you guys. We got Benjamin Natsuka 7741. He says, hey coach, thank you for your hard work. Benjamin, thank you so much. I really appreciate that comment. Thank you for the appreciation. He says, I made a ACHR play at $7 and rid it up. Okay, I want to see if you think it still has potential for the next week. And guys, okay, all these stocks have potential in the next week, but it's up to you if you want to continue to hold on. Okay, so if you are in for the short term, right, if you see profit, take it quickly. If you're in for the long term, these price fluctuations, every time it dips, you dollar cost average. Let me know if that makes sense down below, family. Okay, it's about what pace are you on. Okay, you got to decide for yourself. Oh, I'm in for the short term, let me go ahead and take the gains because I'm up $7 to $8. That's a whole about 20% move. Okay, 10, 15, 20% move. Oh, I need to take my gains quickly. Okay, coach said when you see profit, you take profit. It's totally up to you and how long you're willing to hold on to position, right? So because we've been getting these downturns in the market, generally it's great to, when you see profit, take profit. Don't leave the profit on the table. But that's all I got for you guys today. So if you guys like this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get this channel to 15,000 subscribers this week. Join the Discord, first link down below in the description. You got me, you got Ryan, we got weekly watch list. Me and Ryan, we go hand in hand in a duo. It's fire. Okay, it's fire. So let's get back to money first thing tomorrow morning. Join the first link in the description. If you want to watch another video just like this, click right here. We upload every day. So if you guys want to subscribe, hit that post notifications out. It would tremendously help me. Okay, I do this for you guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. I believe in each and every one of you. Peace.